All right, we're gonna take a look at a Ford Mustang with the hatchback. All right, I actually wanted one of these. I know somebody that has one, and this is a 1966. All right, so Ford Mustang Fastback. All right, let's open it up. All right, first of all, the top, beautiful. Side profile, beautiful. Now, not that many details on the actual tires, if you guys can see. I'm trying to focus in so you guys can see a little bit better. I was a little surprised. The details on the stickers are good. Look at the details on it. Oh man, this is beautiful. I wish I could. There it is. Miniature details on it. Looks good. Front. Oh man, the front looks exactly like it's supposed to be. Look at that. Beautiful details on the front. I like that they painted blue on some of the headlights. No license plate in the front. You could just see the logo of the Mustang just enough, but it does look like a little horse in there, like a little Bronco in there, or whatever it is. But it's you can see it in there. Side profiles, beautiful. Like the inside is all black. Inside is black. The back. This is the only thing I didn't like. This part right here on it. Not that much. It's just like they added another piece of plastic, and that's it. And they call it a hatch. The hatch fastback. Slick design in the bottom. Yes, it does have it. License plate in the back. What does it say? 1966. Now, I wish they had the actual. Oh, I like that. I like that. I didn't even see that part. They actually added extra plastics for the lights, and they're a little bit off. If you guys can see, they're not even well glued on. You know, it's poorly job. Whoever did this, poor job of the gluing. So it looks like they rushed the job, but car looks good. You can take it off from the bottom. Little tiny screwdriver. Good looking car. Hope you guys enjoy the video.